Hi, welcome to this video. This is day 29 affiliate marketing beginner to expert 30 days challenge $1000. In this video, we are going to see about email marketing. See how many you are driving a traffic to your website. You have done all the SEO thing. You have created a website. You have created a blog. You have created the SEO thing. What all the procedures? What you have to follow? You are driving traffic to the website. After driving traffic to the website, I'll just give you an example. If 100 persons, 100 people visits your website monthly, 3,000 people visits your website. So all the 3,000 people will are not your customers, but they are not the buyers who are going to buy your product. So all the persons who are visiting your websites are not going to buy your product. If 3,000 people visits, only 0.2 percentage people are going to go to your affiliate link and buy. Remaining people, they will just have a look at your website, they will read your blogs, and they won't go in the affiliate websites. They will not at the first visit of your website, they won't go and purchase any products or affiliate products or anything and make you bring your money to your pocket. In this time, you have this email marketing plays a vital role. This email marketing makes a personal connect, makes a personal relationship with the customers, with the prospects. And how it makes a personal connect is you are making a personal bond with the prospects and making them to come again and again visit to your website. And the second time, third time, it's a human psychology. Second time, third time, sure, 5 to 10 percentage conversion rate will be there in email marketing tools. So first I'll just tell about what are all the providers. There are many providers, email marketing providers in the industries, and the major players are ConvertKit, Aweber, Mailchimp, and so on. What these providers do? These providers give lots and lots of automation kind of thing. They will give emails. 1 lakh email, 500 email, 1000 email. It depends upon how much a list of subscribers you have. They will just throw the email to all the subscribers around your audience in a single click, right? So this is the main thing what the email marketing providers will do, and they will provide the emails and make a personal bond between you and the prospect who are visiting to your website or a blog, right? The second one is list. The list or number of subscribers what you have, the number of lists, how much quantity of email IDs you have is the asset of a digital marketer. It's the asset of affiliate marketer. So if the list increases, your value of money, your value of in digital marketing also increases. So that is the most important thing, to increase your list in the email marketing tool. So increasing your list gives value to your service, and that value to the service brings money to your pocket. So increasing the list is one of the important assets for a affiliate marketer and also a digital marketer. Leads. What are leads? Leads are giving a freebie to somebody, and in return we are getting their email IDs. That's it. In a short word, in a straight meaning, giving some freebie to somebody, to our prospect, and getting for in return we are getting their email ID and their names. So that is leads. For example, I'm just telling this is a YouTube channel, and I have just making I even though if I shout like anything, I know affiliate marketing, please join my affiliate marketing course and earn like anything, they will not accept, because I am giving this demo course, I am giving the basics of affiliate marketing to all. So one person, not all the person, just one percentage of person who sees this course and sees that it is fine, it is good, and has the passion to earn, and has the passion to hard work, and wants to earn money around $1,000 to $5,000 in a small span of 1 to 2 months or 30 to 40 days of time, will surely join my course, and in 30 to 40 days of course he will surely earn at least 1,000 to $5,000, only because I have given a lead. I have shown the demo of how I have the knowledge in affiliate marketing. So that is the main reason they are just coming and joining in my course, right? So what is split test? Split test is that you can make two kind of emails. You can create two kind of emails, and you can send one kind of email to one set of people and another kind of email to another set of people. You can test which email works, which kind of email works to which type of audience. And after making analyzing the which email works properly, you can select that email and you can run the campaign. So split test is used to analyze the persona of audience and to return of investment of audience, which will work faster. To it is used for the analyze the conversion of the audience. So the split test is given to get the leads. And next one is an autoresponder. What is a autoresponder? So somebody is giving their name, their personal details. They are giving their personal details to you, right? It may be XYZ. They are giving their personal details to you, right? As soon as they give the personal details, they should have the human's acumen. The brain has to say, if I am giving something, what you have to say, you have to say thanks, right? But I can't go in an internet world. I can't go to each and every person and I can't say thanks for giving your email. I can't say so. I'm just making an email as an autoresponder mode. That email will shoot out to his email ID. As soon as the email ID is provided by the prospects, it is automatically shoots out to his email ID and auto response. Thanks for making my website, for enrolling in my website or enrolling in my affiliate mastery marketing mastery course, and I'm just sending an email. So that is the auto responder. And automation is also done in the email marketing tool. So this is how it works. So what is an autoresponder? A person is giving his personal details to a website, and in response, it is responding automatically. It is responding by saying thank you. It's a simple form of autoresponder. The advanced level of autoresponding is also there. So you can schedule the autoresponder. You can make a scheduling. Automation can also be done depending on days, hours, month, years also. So the automation, you can just send anything in automation for 3 months later, 7 months later, 3 days later, 5 days later, and you can just simply sit cool in your home. The email marketing tool work by its own. It will send emails to all of them according to the schedule of time, day, month, or even years. So that is the power of email marketing. Then another one thing what you have to do is a broadcast email. Broadcast email is nothing but you are having a certain group of audience. You are having a hundred. For example, I'm just saying you are having 1,000 subscribers. You are having 1,000 email IDs on your pocket. You have to send a message to all these 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 email IDs. You have to pass a message that I am just going to launch a new video. This broadcast email will just shoot out to all the persons who are in your list in a single click. So broadcast email is sending a single message to all the persons in a group. So broadcast message is, again I'm just repeating, is sending an email to all the persons in your group or specific group in a single click. So there are benefits of email marketing you have to know. The return of investment in email marketing is awesome. See, if you are making a social media ad, for example, if you are making a social media ads like Twitter, Facebook, everything, one view cost comes around 1 rupee to 7 rupees. The lead of FB ads comes around 7 rupees, or else a normal brand consideration ad cost around, for one view it costs around 1 rupees. So if you want to reach 1 lakh people, it costs around 1 lakh rupees. But in email marketing, if you want to reach 1 lakh people, it will cost only 5,000 to 7,000 rupees. So less investment, huge profit is the advantage of email marketing. If even I'm just having, if you are having emails of around 20,000 emails, In conversion ratio of affiliate product is just only 0.25 percentage is the conversion ratio. The total conversion will be around 250 to 350 conversions every month. Think about it, $100 for one conversion, 250 conversions, it's around 25,000 rupees or 2,500 rupees, I think so. Yes, or 25,000 rupees. You just make it as a converted, right? So conversions will be a regular thing. A survey says that if you spend a 30 paise in your email, you will get a return of around 4,300 rupees. So that is the power of email. So this email marketing is also taught in detail in affiliate marketing mastery course, and this email marketing is the most important thing, and it is taught in detail in affiliate marketing mastery course. And the return of investment, if you invest 30 paise, the return of investment comes around 4,785 rupees. So I have given my mobile number in this video also. I have scrolled down the mobile number also. In the description link also my mobile number is there. You can WhatsApp to my mobile number and you can enroll in the course. The course, I'll assure you, it has been taught step by step. At least in 30 to 40 days, minimum you will earn around 1,000 to 5,000 dollars easily. You will earn around 1,000 to 5,000 dollars in a very meager. I'm just telling it very low. You can earn around 3,000, 5,000, 1,000 to 5,000 dollars easily. So that is the power of affiliate marketing. So whoever wants to master the skill, whoever wants to master the affiliate marketing mastery skill can join the course and can WhatsApp to my number and can join the course. And it's not a very costly course and all. It's a small, affordable money only. You can just make a WhatsApp to this number and you can join the course and you can enroll and start earning like anything, right? All the modules, all the 8 steps of blogging, everything will be covered. Email marketing will be covered. And the most important, many the intense secrets of affiliate marketing world is being shared in the course. And if you know that secret, you will lifelong, you will start make mint with money like anything. So that is the most important thing of affiliate marketing mastery courses, right? So, in this email marketing basics, I have taught about all the basics of email marketing, and whoever can join whoever follows this 30 videos can follow this 30 videos and start earning around $1,000. And whoever has the passion to learn, whoever has the passion to win in the life, and whoever wants to make a big money, please join the affiliate marketing mastery course. I have given my mobile number. You can WhatsApp to this mobile number. And affiliate marketing mastery brings you lots and lots of money, and you can lead a financial freedom life. I am damn sure about it. So this is we will just I'll just go to the 30th video, and this is the 29th affiliate marketing mastery course video. So thanks for watching this video, and please go through this email marketing basics. It's not to listen to the videos. You have to go and search for the email marketing tools, and you have to mint with it what is going on. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.